going to try and get a good photo first, and then we can sit and chat about them.
Yes. Are they shaking or just
They
breathing?
have, yeah, the breathing. So they have a rapid heart rate and breathing rate, so that's normal.
So cute. But they are nocturnal.
No, it's good. They're relaxed.
It's so soft. What's their name?
Willow and Blossom. So this is Willow and this is Blossom, and they're about 4 years old. They're twins.
Twins. Oh, so cute.
So they can jump about 50 metres through the trees. They spread their arms and legs out, and this piece of skin stretches right out like a parachute. And they use their tail to steer the direction.
Oh.
Is that family of a possum? Or
Yes, so they are a possum, but with the gliding membrane. That's why they're called
and
gliders.
have a pouch?
Yes, they
Yeah.
have a pouch, yep. So they generally have twins because